This is medium.
You're looking here at this sweeper. It weighs in under 4 pounds. I really like that. And has a 0.6 liter bin here, so a little extra big for if you have dogs. I have 2 of them. I have an Australian Shepherd and a Husky. And this is really good for picking up hair. And it doesn't clog easily, so I really like that. Has rubberized wheels here as well. Let you see the spin zone there. And it has your rubber guard right there to protect your walls. Has a good turn ratio as well. Your battery just comes disconnected. A 90-minute battery, so I like that, and I can get my whole house done with that. Usually with stick vacuums, I kind of see them as an easy charge port there too, by the way. And it charges just in a couple of hours. But usually stick vacuums that I've had before just didn't get my whole house. This I can. So if I have a company running, I can get it all done with this, which I like. I'll show you the display here as well. There you go. Turbo, eco, medium, and turbo. I usually just run it on turbo. I find that to be the best. And also to empty out the bin, very easy. Just to press of a button, springs open, allows you to empty it. So there it is. Does a great job. It picks up anything on my floor. It also works really well on my hard floors. I have like a linoleum kitchen, and it works great on that. Picks up dog food, just doesn't kick it around the house. It actually picks it up. I just want to show you something else here as well. I'm going to just set my phone there. It's real quick attachments as well. No wires to it. All the connections are with your connection points right there that you can see. This attachment here I really like for my carpet. I mean, not my carpet, my furniture, my couch. It's, very smooth. So this small attachment I love from a couch. And all you do to get that on there, you just put it on. Oops, the other way. There you go. It snaps right in there. And as you can see, of course, it's turns on. This is really powerful vacuum here with the other attachments I use to do my car. So I've had no problem picking up I take my dogs with me. So if you ever swap out a car before dog hair, you know that's a pretty tough job. This handles it well with the attachments, and I just put them on there and take that off. So this is for in my house. I use it on my couch, and with the other attachments I use it in corners and things, but especially for my car. I absolutely love it. Very powerful, and like I said, long battery life and your battery indicator there. So it's been working great for me, and I love the color as well. I like the silver onto the black, onto the gray. I think everything looks stylish with it, looks modern, and powerful motor too, and suction ability, which is probably the most important. And I know it sucks up well just because of what I get out of this, emptying my bin with my dogs. So yeah, so I just want to show it to you, let you see it here. Very pleased with the whole unit.
Hi guys, I'm just breaking open my brand new vacuum. Super excited because it's going to be able to free up me from not having to deal with a cord being hooked to the wall. I can pretty much use this anywhere, my stairs, my car, anywhere that I can carry this vacuum, I'm going to use it. Alright, just going to see all the parts it comes with. It's a full-size, very powerful vacuum, and for not having to attach to the wall with a cord, that is going to be amazing. Look at how beautiful that piece is. See-through, so you can see if you need to clean your roll. Brush. Here is the wall holder, so that I can hang it on the wall easily. We got another head attachment. Nice little one to carry around. This is a heavy duty, really nice vacuum with all its attachments. They're not thin and they're really good. I always believe you get what you pay for, and this is definitely worth it. Another nice attachment, extending easily. A lot of little boxes to get into. Got the manual. And here is the actual motor and dirt cup. Oh, that is such a beautiful piece. Look at this. How nicely made this is. It's got the power there. It looks like I need to charge it. It arrived at 36%. Battery. Alright, here's the actual charger. And more attachments. These will be great for cleaning the car, which is what I want to go do now. That is everything in the box. I will put this baby together. Oh, we do have another attachment. Hold on. Try it out. The first place I want to try it's my car. I really need to clean my car. I was going to take it for a detail, but I decided let me just do it myself for my brand new vacuum.